Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider the chain stitch. Come up at the beginning of your line and then make a loop. Put your needle back in where you started and take a small stitch. And the goal is to make your stitches all about the same size as you do them. Oops, I got a little knot there. There we go. So there's my first loop on my chain stitch. So now we go again, we make a loop, we go back down right near where we came up and make another small loop. And now we've got 2 chains for our stitch. Make another loop, bring our needle down. And the goal is to try to keep all these stitches about the same size and bring your needle back up. And I've marked my line with a friction pen. I like them. Some people don't, but this is what they are, friction like this. And they come out with heat, but always test your fabric first. I have had some fabrics where it leaves a little bit of a white line if it's a dark fabric. But you wouldn't use a dark pen on a dark fabric anyway, probably. So you just keep making loops and closing them off. I need to pull my tail out. There we go. And coming to the end of my line, you come back up at the end. And then to finish it, you just put your needle back down to the wrong side. And then knot your thread. And to knot your thread, I like to go under the last stitch. And if you go through the loop and through the loop, kind of make a double loop, it makes a really secure knot. There we go. And then cut your thread. So next I shoot this with a little bit of heat and remove the line. And here's my finished sample. I shot it with a little bit of steam and the line disappeared. Have fun playing with the chain stitch embroidery.